Hey, how you doing out there? Maybe YouTubers, Facebook, wherever I go with this. See this instruction book right here? Yeah, this wiring harness. Okay, 20 circuit. Okay, look at this. Does that look like brown? Of course it's brown. It's not black. Here I am looking for a brown heater AC thing feed. Can't find it. Guess what? It's black. What the heck? I'll show you where it's at. Okay, then I had to turn around and tear everything apart. I had this all neat, everything, all neat, wire loomed and everything. And I had to trace it all the way back. I had to trace all my wiring and go by the letters and, words. And it came out to be this dude here, right there, number 30. See where that says right there? It says AC heater. Well, guess what? They said that's brown. Brown my ass. See that back there? The black. The black frickin' wire. Right in there. And I had to go and trace this down. Okay, what's black supposed to be? Black's supposed to be what? Usually a ground, right? There you go. And this little culprit right here that I just labeled. Because I had to go ahead and put this, so I always mark my stuff. But I'm giving you a heads up, okay? Before you do an install, look and make sure some of these wires in the back of a wiring harness like this, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong here, because what I'm getting the point of it is trying to help others out about wiring. Okay, pretty cool that the wiring's got the words on it and shit. When it comes to black, like what I had to do, I had to trace it all the way to the back. And I thought it was a ground. And I kept blowing that 30 fuse, that 30 amp right there for AC heat. So, keep that in mind, folks. But I had this all tremendously all done and everything, and go in here and I go to, can't remember, accessory or of course ignition on. Bam! 4 fuses I've blown just because of the stupidity of people out there. Okay, I tried to go ahead and buy an American Wire one, and with this convid shit, fucking COVID-19 bullshit, screwed me over, and they said, well, it's gonna be a couple months, we ain't got no help. So I didn't want to wait that long, but now I had this problem because I buy something from Speedway. I'm not trying to put anybody down, but that's what this dude said this wiring kit's from. So I'm just showing you what that is on the instruction booklet right there. Their color codes does not match, or someone's stupid and drunk when they were building this. And it was a black wire, not a brown wire. Anyway, problem solved. I'm glad for that, because now I can go ahead and I can do my ignition. If I can do it with one hand, that's the only thing, I'm not popular on getting, well, anyway. Dang it. What I'm saying is, anyway, she works. If I put my phone there, it'd be great, but it don't want to click. That's a problem. I don't have a GoPro. Anyway, folks, just a good idea of, hell, took me a little bit of time, but I figured it out. Okay? So, just look out for stupidity shit. Make sure the wire colors are wire colors what match on the sheet. This is what this is all about. Okay? If this gladly helps you out, that's great. You all have a good day. Now I gotta clean up my mess. Little by little, get my wire loom done. We'll be good. But if this is helpful, that's what it's all about. Because there's times I've looked on there on YouTube and you know, people don't give you any of that much advice. I mean, they give you advice. I love YouTube. YouTube's cool. You can learn a lot of stuff off that, but it's things like this when you get into a wire harness like this, and I had to tear this all completely apart and go wire by wire and figure this shit out. And obviously it kept popping fuses and was showing the short. Well, you know why it was a fucking short? Because I'll tell you why. Because I had a black for a ground. And then that black wire was an AC heater. And it was a live wire that was connected for a ground. Because some dumbasses went ahead and did a brown wire. It's supposed to be a brown wire hookup, and they ran a black wire on the AC heater line side on the wiring harness. Anyway, you all have a great day, and I appreciate you. Just wanted to help people out there in YouTuber land. Okay? All right, y'all take care of yourself. God bless.